He said he drove from where?
VA.
He said he drove from Hampton, Virginia, just to meet Trey Chaney. And man, I'm honored, bro. Like, that's love. This is actually the DMV film and performing on honor. So Joe Dyer, Teresa Dyer's wife, we like family, so they honoring me today. So just for you to drive up here, bro, that means a lot. You know what I'm saying? Before we step, we get your information because we do got some projects coming along that you definitely could be a part of.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Yeah, y'all doing anything like y'all ain't bringing the wire back?
Nah. Let me make that clear. I'm not trying to bring the wire back. I'm just doing reunions. That's it. I ain't trying to bring the wire back. That's HBO, I'm just stepping out front real quick. I'm gonna go out here with my cousins real quick. I can bring that.
We have to make sure we take a picture together.
Right now.
Yeah.